Hello, welcome to A Spoon of Fork. Today we're making some strawberry dump cake. So you're going to clean and wash your strawberries, and then we're going to chop them all up. Ain't they beautiful? Nice and red. So let's start the chopping up process. So here we go. We're chopping them, and we're going to chop them all up. Then we're going to go ahead and put them into our bowl, like so. Once we have them all in our bowl, we're going to get a baking dish out and get ready. Drop in half a cup of brown sugar and give it a good old mix. And here come our baking dish. So now, once we stir it all up, butter our baking pan with some butter. Drop in our strawberries. Spread them out evenly. Then we're going to start with our cake mix batter. Use the ingredients that it says on the back of the box. So it's going to be 3 eggs. There go our coconut oil, half a cup. There go our cup of water. We're going to give it a good old mix all together until everything is smooth and no more lumps in it. So once we get it all smoothened out, we're going to go ahead and dump it on top of our strawberries. And we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. Or until you stick a knife in it, see if you see anything. So our cake is done. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good scoop out into our bowl. And go ahead and get us a scoop of the vanilla ice cream. And there you have it, you guys. Strawberry dump cake with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And I must say, this was some delicious, you guys. Y'all must try this. And thanks for watching.